And here we go. Huh? What are you doing? Come, walk, puppy. The puppy in sunlight. It's late October 2025 in Ottawa, Canada, and the puppy and I are enjoying some nice weather. Uh-huh. Good weather. Relax, relax. Ain't no squirrels for you to bother. Come on. Yeah, good doggo. El doggo, el doggo, el doggo. Come on. What is it? What is it really? She likes the fence. I don't know why. Like, you see all this? See all this terrain, park, whatever she has to roam in? What is she doing? Sticking to the fence. What's up with you? Come. Enjoy yourself. Relax. El doggo, el doggo, el doggo. El doggo, el doggo, el doggo. The pupper of puppers. The pupper of puppers. What kind of a puppy are you? What kind of a puppy are you? Come, come, come. Come. What? You don't want to go in? It looks nice. But you know, if my doggo doesn't feel like it, she doesn't have to. I trust my dog's instincts.